We've received several comments and questions lately asking us to make a follow-up video on some of the stocks that we've bought over the last several months. This is that video. 9 different stocks we're recapping right here and disclose how much we are up and how much we're down on each. Some investors buy and sell based on price action. They use technical analysis, others use fundamental analysis. We only buy companies that we have thoroughly researched and afterward have a high confidence in the future growth and success of each one. We want to know the story. We want to know what they are doing to make a difference. Unlike others, we really do not freak out when the price goes down, but rather we believe our picks are potential 10-baggers over time. Some of the stocks that we recap today can be purchased right now at even cheaper prices than when we made the original videos. Everybody loves a great bargain, right? This should be a fun video. This is the MoonShot Money channel. I'm Chase Vickers. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back and thanks so much for watching. Follow us over on Twitter at MoonShot Money 1 for between video thoughts and information. Subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another MoonShot Money video. We are not financial advisors and we're not telling you to buy any of these stocks today. This is just an update on some of our investments. Please make sure and do your own due diligence. The first company is CheckCap, ticker CHEK. This is a clinical stage medical diagnostics company advancing the development of C-Scan, the first and only patient-friendly, preparation-free screening test to detect polyps before they may transform into cancer. A few days ago, they announced that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, had approved the company's investigational device exemption application, permitting CheckCap to begin a pivotal study of C-Scan in the United States. C-Scan is intended for candidates who are at average risk and poor candidates for a colonoscopy or a decline in colonoscopy, or had an incomplete optical experience. The pivotal study will evaluate safety and performance of C-Scan as well as subject compliance with C-Scan. With full FDA approval, this stock can skyrocket, but there's no guarantee there though. They're absolutely headed in the right direction. This is just the beginning for a $2 stock. We are currently up 16% on this investment, and we are expecting a 10-bagger here at least. Next is GLOT, ticker GILT. Nothing has changed our conviction. This is a favorite 5G play and a company we're expecting Cathie Wood to buy in abundance for her ARC-X ETF. We love this stock and intend to own it for a very, very long time. We're currently up 10% and see this as a very early investment. Watch our video for more details. Next is Anavex, ticker AVXL. They are a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing treatments for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, as well as central nervous system diseases like Rett syndrome. We are currently up 16%. This company is showing tremendous progress in treatments for those diseases, and if they get final FDA approval, look out. I won't take any more of your precious time to go into detail, but you need to watch our video and read some articles on Anavex and see for yourself. Next is SOS Limited, ticker SOS. This is a holding company which provides marketing data, emergency rescue services solutions, research and development of big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. These are areas of growth at our cutting edge. SOS has successfully installed its second fleet of 5,000 cryptocurrency mining rigs. Together with its prior fleet of 5,000 mining rigs, the company expects the combined fleet to have the capacity to calculate an average of 353 petahashes per second for mining Bitcoin and 707 gigahashes per second for mining Ethereum. Exposure to Bitcoin mining is the main reason we bought SOS. It came under a short attack that gave many owners some grief. They could have done a much better job handling the attack. We do admit that. We currently are down 7% and holding for the long haul to see if this Chinese company can generate profit for us in the crypto mining space. Time will tell. We are watching closely. Next is Vector, ticker symbol VACQ. Vector is bringing Rocket Lab to the market, and we love Rocket Lab. This is the little sister of SpaceX. They have their own private launch facility already and have been launching rockets for many months. This will definitely be an ARC-X edition when it launches. Space is a huge opportunity that will grow your wealth over and over and over. This is one of many companies to take advantage of the space economy revolution. We are currently down 4% and we're buying more. This company is still under a $500 million market cap. Watch our other Rocket Lab video for more details. This is going to be in the MoonShot vault for many years. Next is Gevo, ticker GEVO. They are a renewable chemicals and next generation biofuels company focusing on alternatives to petroleum-based products. They just reported a loss for the fourth quarter, but this business is so early. We didn't buy it expecting to make a killing in 3 months or something. We bought to hold for years. Gevo also just announced that Dr. Paul Bloom has joined the Gevo team as the Chief Technology Officer and Chief Innovation Officer. Dr. Bloom served for 20 years in a series of commercial and technical roles at Archer Daniels Midland Company. Most recently, Dr. Bloom was the Vice President of Sustainable Materials and was previously the General Manager of Evolution Chemicals, where he led development and commercialization activities for the company's portfolio of renewable chemicals. In addition, he had a global responsibility for the company's pipeline of new process technologies and partnerships with the chemical industry. We are currently down 20% since we purchased, so the price is very right today for us. We're looking 4 or 5 years down the road on this, and we are extremely confident that we'll be making some money here. Next is Atlas Crest Investment, ticker ACIC. They are combining with Archer, an electric plane startup that is also getting backing from some high-profile potential partners. Electric flying cars is the product. Meet George Jetson. Put on your thinking caps here. If you could have an electric flying car pick you up at your house and then take you to the airport, how amazing would that be? That is what we're talking about. This investment for us is very, very early. There are also a couple other great companies that are in this space that would also make great investments. We put some money in this and we will see where it's at 5 years from now. Much higher is what we're guessing. We are currently down 23% from our original price. It's on sale right now and we're nibbling. Next is Osprey Technologies, ticker SFTW. Osprey is merging with Black Sky, a leading real-time geospatial intelligence, imagery, and data analytics company. Some analysts have nicknamed Black Sky the Palantir of space, if that tells you anything. Founded in 2014, Black Sky is a first mover in real-time Earth observation, leveraging the innovative performance and economics of small satellite constellations to deliver global monitoring solutions. Black Sky's artificial intelligence machine learning powered analytics platform derives unique insight from its constellation as well as a variety of space, Internet of Things, and terrestrial-based sensors and data feeds. Black Sky monitors global events and activities, providing enhanced situational awareness for commercial and government customers worldwide. It's a little creepy if you think about it, but hey, in 2021, it's here, and we might as well invest in this technology. You should check out our other video on Black Sky to learn more. We are still sky high confident about SFTW, and we'll be holding this for years. This too is on sale for us as we're currently down 19% since we bought. We'd be crazy not to be buying some more of this. Do your own due diligence here, folks. We think that you'll like what you see. Lastly, we want to discuss CleanSpark, ticker symbol CLSK. They offer advanced energy software and control technology that enables a plug-and-play enterprise solution to modern energy challenges. Their services include intelligent energy monitoring controls, microgrid design and engineering, microgrid consulting, and turnkey implementation services. Investing in innovative technology involves risk, but the rewards can be outstanding. CleanSpark stock offers the prospect of robust gains for forward-thinking investors. Besides the microgrids, there's a cryptocurrency connection that should spark some interest in CleanSpark stock among blockchain enthusiasts. In fact, CleanSpark is a serious competitor in the Bitcoin mining space. In the first half of March, CleanSpark provided 2 updates on its Bitcoin mining operation. On March 2nd, CleanSpark secured for delivery 2,500 ACIC mining rigs, which are expected to be delivered and immediately deployed throughout June and July of 2021. These rigs are estimated to provide a Bitcoin mining hash rate capacity of 218 petahash per second. On March 9th, the company announced an additional purchase of 1,150 new miners scheduled for delivery in June 2021 and capable of producing 100 petahash per second. We are very bullish on Bitcoin moving forward. That's why we like CleanSpark for the long haul. We're currently down over 29%. Most people would be panicking and taking a loss right here. That is not what we do. So there you go, an update on 9 different companies. We are up on some and we are down on some, but we feel exactly the same now as we did when we bought them. People get so caught up in this daily price fluctuations. If their investment turns red, they absolutely freak out. We are different. We never buy unless we are convinced that 5 years from now, the company that we have bought will somehow be changing the world. We hope that you've enjoyed this short video. Give us a like and subscribe and leave a comment. We love hearing from each and every one of you. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give more. And remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. I have another video for you right here, so watch this next. We're sure that you'll enjoy it. We'll see you on the moon.